They're not expecting me. Surprise jumps up. He calls out, boo! But soon that night is dancing too, while upstairs, unawares.
My name is Matthew Jones. I'm on the board of Reading the Kids.
The mission for Reading the Kids is to instill a love of reading in the kids that we read to, with the belief that, kids who love to read, you're gonna have a better future. And we can build lifelong readers that way. It's just start them young, reading to them, bring them on the emotional journeys, the imaginary journeys, and they learn to love books. The way Reading the Kids works is the second Saturday of every month, we collect volunteers and students at 8 of our different partner schools. The volunteers get there first, there's an orientation. The students get there, they're divided up into grades, and then we just take them to the different rooms and read stories to them. Age-appropriate books. We leave a copy of that book with the school, so it's forever there in the library, and we give the kids an actual book to take home, so they can build their own home library.
Through reading, I kind of found a love for learning more about English and not feeling as scared to speak or feeling intimidated to speak to other people. I kind of found joy in reading and not feeling pressured to reach a level that they want me to, instead just going at my own pace.
We were thrilled when we got the acceptance letter from the NFL because support from businesses broadly is so vital to what we do. It's the only reason we can do what we do, and the larger and more respectable and more legit of the donors that you can list, it just attracts bigger and better partners. The easiest way to find out a lot about Reading the Kids is just to go to the website, www.readingthekids.org. Everything is on there, from the program structure, when we do it, how we do it. You can find out what we're going to be reading next month. You can find out so much about us.
I'm very big on giving back to the community, and it's thanks to programs like this that really showed me the need to support low-income families like in South LA.
So the idea of reading to some kids, getting them to love the journey of a book, and kind of planting that seed lifelong, it just seemed really excellent. It's just fun.